As always, don't forget to check and click on the video description links down below for the tools and parts we use in today's project. Helps us out a lot. Thank you so much for that. Today we got this 2010 Dodge Charger with a 3.5. We're going to replace the fuel pump. It's not starting, no start, spin over. We checked for fuel injector signal. We sprayed starter fluid in it. It cranked up. It does have fuel injector signal. So we're about 99.99% sure it's a bad fuel pump. Let's check it out. Okay, y'all, so first thing we're gonna do, come back, we're gonna do this in your rear seat, which is really cool because a lot of cars, you have to drop the tank. This one's easy, we can access it from the rear seat. We're just gonna come back over here, I'm gonna reach, and it's gonna pop, and then you're just gonna wiggle it out. We're gonna pull this rear seat out. You can see these, where is it? Yeah. These little pieces right here, they just fit into these little areas right here. So they just kind of snap in. And then we're gonna locate our fuel pump, which is gonna be this right here. We're gonna pop this out. Let me make sure. Sometimes, yeah, there's two. Okay, so there's, I believe, yeah, so I looked it up and so you got like two things that look like fuel pumps. You got one here and you got one here. It's the driver's side. This is your fuel pump side. So if you come in a little closer, we got basically this piece here that holds the fuel pump down. You're gonna wanna make sure it's pretty clean. You don't, when you remove this stuff, you don't want anything falling down in there. First, we're gonna disconnect this connector. Taking a little flathead here, just gonna push. That helps. So we'll take him off, and then I'm guessing they have kids because they got food all over the place. Then we're gonna take our flathead right here and we're gonna begin to tap, and then just get a close up of that thing that's holding it in there. So you'll be able to see as we begin to tap this, this will just kind of undo itself. You can see slowly but surely we're starting to make way, and once we get this thing all the way out, we will be able to take this off and pull the whole fuel pump assembly out. Alright, so now we got it enough to where you can see it spins, and then we're going to pull it up and off out of our way. We're going to want to make sure no junk is about to fall into the gas tank. We'll just go ahead and lift up on this guy like that, and then this is the whole assembly right here. So we're gonna be careful because you got wires and stuff, and looks like we will, what's the best way to do this? So we got some, you know what, it looks like they're out of gas, dude. I wonder if they're just out of gas. We'll check on that, but this is the whole fuel pump assembly. And what we'll do here is we'll probably have to figure out how to take this off, take those things off, and then pull it out. And our pump is sitting directly in the assembly there.
It's alright.
Alright, y'all, so now we're here, and we put a gallon of gas in this guy's car and it started running, so we're not going to replace it, but I'm still going to show you everything you need to know. These two tubes right here, you can see, I'll show you how it snaps down in. Just gonna line it up, snap it, but you kind of pull and pull up and it pops out. Same thing for this one. Get in a little closer if you can. And then, so both of them are like that. You just lift these tabs and then pop the hose up. And then we got this hose right here. This one, you'll take a pick and grab right on the end of that, pop that clip out, and then this hose will pop up and out of your way. And then this connector right here, you can squeeze it and pull it out. Basically, here, I can do it. You're not gonna be able to see me do it, but use two hands and pull. Might have to take a flathead. Is a flathead layering? Here. Basically, just pop it in there. Well, I snapped it back in. You could take a pick and pull up on it too. It's really not that hard. It's just with the camera there, I was trying to show you me actually pulling it out. Then you've got this piece down in here, and you just take your screwdriver and pop that up out of the way. That just pops right out. And that is it, guys. Once you have all those things out, this whole assembly comes on out. And then once the assembly comes out, there'll probably be a few different places with little tabs, and it'll probably be 3 places with tabs. And you'll just take a flathead screwdriver, pry, and then you'll probably pop the bottom off, and then you should be able to take this thing I'm touching right here. This is your actual little fuel pump. I think they sell the whole assembly where you wouldn't have to do all that. You just do everything I just showed you and pop the new assembly in. Or the fuel pump is going to be like, I don't know, 30, 40 bucks, and you can replace just the fuel pump. That's the cheaper way to go. So I'll do listings for both of those in the video description down below. You'll see a whole assembly, or you can just replace the fuel pump. And that's it. It's not too bad of a job. We're going to put everything back together. His car runs now because there's gas in it. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching.